Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones Day Trade Setups for today. So, pretty much nothing went on yesterday. A bit of a up and down, and then two range bars, and we now have an inside bar forming. So, it was a Fed minutes yesterday, but I'm so tired of the noise at the moment. I'm not even bothering with the noise. Just paying attention to what I see on the chart. So, at the moment, we are still sideways. There's nothing really of interest here. What we do need to see is a retest of this area here. That is 33,481, and that would set up a potential short for us. Just breaking this mini range, and then just looking for 32,720, which is the bottom of the bigger range. So looking at the 3 hour, we've got a grouping of the oscillators, a crossover. We're almost above the 20 now. Could be a bit of a bottoming pattern there, but the trend is down right now, so you don't want to be going against that trend. If we move across to the hour, trend is clearly to the downside, so I still am of the opinion we need to be waiting for 33,481. Yesterday was absolutely no price action to talk about, even on the 15 minutes, just up and down, up and down. We are in a downward trend, so you should be looking for opportunities to short. That's the first level there. The next level on the 15 minutes is going to be something like that. Sorry, that's 33,200. I'm still sit on hands, guys. I really don't trust this this setup here. It can flip against you very quickly. Could be bottom of range here. You can see there's our level there, and I'll say a little bit higher. There we go. See, that's tagged it. So it could very well be bottom of range. So in other words, a break above 33,200, build a base, probably back up to this area, bounce back, and then build a base. So lastly, just keep that trend line in play. It's clearly important. You can see we've tested it 3 times already, last week and this week. So I don't see, oh, there is, sorry. You're going to see me really getting this messy. So there's the first one, and there's the second one. Just going to come back to the hour. It's going to be easier to explain. Right. So there's our trend line, and look where these levels of potential resistance intersect with that trend line. So this is probably the most logical one at the moment. So that is 33,392. A retest up there does break a trend line, but obviously it is down until it's not. So we're should be looking to short on the lower time frames, but after yesterday's price action, I'm not entirely convinced that's going to happen. You can see sideways, 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 and then a big exhaustion bar stretching for 32,974. So I'm sit on hands, but probably well worth just paying attention to these levels here. If you do start bouncing off them, it's well worth taking the short off there. Potentially looking, if we get all the way up to here, you're going to be looking for short down onto one of these bits of structure here. If you start building a base there, then you need to change your tune and start looking for the moves to the upside. So that's kind of my view, but overall I'm sitting quietly until I see something really stand out to take. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.